Hello. So today we're working as cleaners. We're cleaning house, maintaining our customer house, and during days we're doing a cleaning, and in nights I'm a welding job, and then doing forex. So don't give up. Cardano bloom. Hello. So market update on 5 days. So this big candle is up, daily time frame. So it's going down and fall back here, and then going down again. But if you see on my 4-hour time frame for 5 days, you see like that. It goes up and retrace here and fall down. So in my 5 minutes time frame, let's see, 15 minutes. Look at this. It goes up there. I only get a few trades there, and I close it. And then I was in the trade in here, and then he goes here and go back. I close my trade, and then look at that. Boom again. Look at that. Every time that's 5 minutes it goes down. And look at the daily time frame in here. 5 minutes. Yeah, sorry, my 200 period moving average, you can see every time he goes up in here. Look at that. He break here, break, and if you can put a trend line here, look at that. Boom. That's a good trade. Then here in Friday, I didn't get the trade here, but I was on other trade. But when I see pull back here a little bit, I put a trade and I get a little bit in here. That's the 5 days daily prime time frame for a USD GPY. That one. And look at that. He break that lines. Maybe it's gonna go down more. Look at that. Touch here, go up and down. Look at that big bar here. So let's see what's gonna happen on the next week. Maybe a little pullback here, goes up and go down again. And let's go to the USD CAD. USD CAD for a 5 days period. So look at this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. He break this daily for my 200 moving average. Look at that. Just go for 4 hours. Yeah, 4 hour is here. Look at this. Go down, retrace, go down, retrace. And Friday, I catch this one 5 minutes before it's go down. I was in here, this level, and it's go down again. I take my profit here, and he go back a little bit, and then let's see if we break this line for the next day, and we're gonna go for a little buy till here. So that's the trades for the 5 days. So I did a few mistake. I have a profit that I didn't take, and then it goes against me. I didn't lose, but I only take a small profit in here. Like, where's that? Like here, it goes down. In here I have profit here. He goes back against me and I take my profit, and then he goes down again, and you can see there's a double bottom here, double bottom that I have to beat it. And look at this candle, that's what I'm looking for. And then he goes back again on this resistance level. Look at that resistance level. He go here multiple times. So 1, 2, 3, 4 breaking, and then 5, and then boom, he go down there. Look at that. So it's gonna go down maybe more if he break this daily time frame. So yeah, let's see the next move on other day. That's our 5 days trading updates. See you next week again, next Friday.